Hi guys, welcome to TeleZ Updates. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Today is all about This Is Fate, how Sherlyn and Mahira plans backfires on them, and how they try to kill Preeta with a truck driver, and more. The goon inquires as to how she called him. Sherlyn responds that he has to kill someone. The person inquires as to what her name is. Sherlyn replies that her name is Preeta. He inquires as to when she wants it done. Sherlyn replies that if she wanted it done today, she would do it today. She turns to see Mahira standing and is shocked. Mahira inquires as to whether what she heard is true. Sherlyn responds that it is true because she cannot live while Preeta is alive because she knows all of her secrets. Mahira requests that Sherlyn include her in her plan because she understands that she cannot have Karan until Preeta is alive because he cannot think of her until Preeta is alive. Sherlyn assures that she will be involved in all of her plans. Sherlyn asks Mahira if she knows when Preeta will leave the house. Kritika is shopping for the Mangal Surtur with Prithvi. She asks if he likes it. He exclaims that he likes it, so Kritika places it back in the box. He asks what she did. She replies that his reaction should be that it is awesome, otherwise she would not buy it. Prithvi wonders why Kritika does not understand that he is uncomfortable with the shopping, and the salesman shows her another box. She likes it a lot and selects one of the Mangal Surtur before leaving to purchase one of the necklaces for her wedding. Sherlyn and Mahira are in the car, and Mahira wants to know what the plan is and who the person is. Sherlyn responds that he is a contract killer who has done a lot of work for her and Prithvi. Mahira inquires about Sherlyn's plan to assassinate Preeta because they are standing in a crowded market where a large number of people will see him. Mahira responds that he wouldn't be able to kill Preeta because she'd arrive in a car, and Sherlyn says she's prepared for it and that she didn't have a choice but to choose this location. Preeta gets into the car when it comes to a stop, and the driver informs her that the tire is punctured. She asks him to return after repairing it while she walks to the shop. Kritika selects a necklace and inquires about its appearance. Prithvi responds that it is the best and she should purchase it immediately. He receives a call and is surprised to see who it is. He makes the excuse that it is the call from his mom. He replies that Preeta is not coming out of the footpath and that if she takes the turn, he would not be able to run her over because it is the police station's road. Prithvi shouts at him, which shocks everyone. He warns the killer that if Preeta gets even a scratch, he would ruin his entire family. The contact killer ends the call saying Sherlyn is calling. She says she would push Preeta from the footpath so he can run her over. Mahira decides to stand behind Preeta and push her if she is unable to, but she slips and instead pushes Sherlyn, who is hit by the truck. Mahira immediately rushes to the side as she is terrified. Preeta turns around and is startled to see Mahira on the floor, crying out for help. While she is crying, she asks Karan to come because Sherlyn is injured. He replies that he is close and will arrive soon. Prithvi also arrives at the location. Karan is attempting to pick up Sherlyn. Prithvi is surprised to see Sherlyn is the one who is injured. He wonders how it all happened. Someone hands Preeta the number of the truck that caused the accident. Prithvi also follows them. Mahira is however perplexed. Prithvi sees her so wonders why is she hiding and not standing in the front. He after seeing her body still wonders how did the accident happen. Preeta and Karan arrive at the hospital. Rishabh arrives, and Prithvi arrives, inquiring about Sherlyn's condition. Rishabh responds that they are performing the operation. Prithvi assures them that they will not leave the one responsible because he has filed a complaint against the truck driver who was involved in the accident. Preeta, approaching from behind, inquires how he knows that a truck driver is to blame. Preeta asks Prithvi how he knows the accident happened because of the truck. He was out shopping with Kritika. Preeta questions why Prithvi left Kritika in the market, and Prithvi says Kritika told him that Sherlyn had an accident. As his phone bell rings, Prithvi tries to flee. Out of it, the nurse emerges. The nurse goes to get blood for Sherlyn after Rishabh asks her to give it her all. Thanks. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.